Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a new video here. Here is Biti, Bitcoin Trading Informant. Today I will show you something about XLM. I will show you something about Stellar. Let's take a look at Stellar. We have the 9th February, and as you can see, Stellar is on place 12 on our list on CoinMarketCap. And you can see Stellar today not working so good with a minus about 0.31%. In the week it's okay with 18%. It's a good trade for the weekly, but let's compare it with Bitcoin. Bitcoin today mega pump, 16% for the week, 31% against our Stellar XLM, working not so good against Bitcoin. But let's have a look about XLM, what's going on. You can see here, this is the daily chart. As always, we start with the daily chart. And we start with the parallel channel. We're drawing a line from here to here, and we make an uptrend channel. Stellar is in a very nice uptrend channel, as you can see. And it works really nice. For now, it's a little bit difficult for Stellar because we have here the middle line of our uptrend. And as you can see, this middle line is acting as a resistance here for XLM because Stellar can't move over this middle line. It's acting here on this very nice uptrend, okay, clear, but it's acting under this middle line here from this uptrend. Let's take a look on the buy and sell indicator. You can see the best buy was here on this point at about 0.3, let's say. Now Stellar is about 0.38. It's a nice little move up for the last days, for the last week, but it's not working so good as Bitcoin is working at the moment. The EMA ribbon is here, and you can see we have a little space here for Stellar to go down to the EMA ribbon. It's about this one to this one, and we can make a price label here to take a look about the next price label. Is if Stellar can't move over this middle line, it's about 0.33 in this direction. This is our support here on the daily chart for Stellar if we're coming down here again. The bottom of the uptrend is here about 0.29, and this is the absolutely support Stellar has to hold. So we are staying in this uptrend channel, and Stellar could maybe go on and on and on. Let's take a look on the MACD, and you can see this crossing was the perfect place to be. This was a good buy position here, and from this position here, the red turned to the green, and it's going up and up and up. So that's for the daily. Now we will take a look about XLM versus Bitcoin. XLM versus Bitcoin. Important to see what's going on here, and as you can see, oh my god, here is the real action. You see here the daily chart. You see here that Stellar is it's fighting in this directly in this hash ribbon band. We zoom in here, and you can see this is today, Stellar today, and you can see Stellar is fighting here extreme versus Bitcoin in this hash ribbon band. So what can we make of this position? It's really easy. You see, it was a good point to buy Stellar here with a long position. It's going up and up and up, but now it's on the nearly same position as the long position. We saw here a sell point against Bitcoin. Remember, we are on Stellar against Bitcoin, XLM against Bitcoin. Good position here to sold or to sell for Stellar. Now we are waiting here. If Stellar would lose this fight here in the ribbon band, and it's going down here from this ribbon band from here to here, it's really clear that Stellar is not the best place to be against Bitcoin if Stellar will lose it. If it goes up here on the daily against Bitcoin and the hash ribbon band here bounce off, that would be a good point for us to go in Stellar, because we may see a pump. We can draw a line from here to here. We are still on a daily, and a line from here to here, And as you can see, we are in a triangle now, and we have to watch this daily triangle about the next move, about the next great move for Stellar. That's very important. So if you would like to trade XLM, just take a look on this daily chart, draw your lines, take these indicators, watch out of the crossings, and as you can see, this is now the triangle. We are in this triangle. If we are breaking out from this triangle, you know what the next direction is. From the highest to the deepest point, a line, and you put it to here. If we are breaking out today, our target is here, and here is our next great support. You can see it. This was the lower low, the last great low here from Stellar against Bitcoin, from this point to this point. So that's our support here. That's our possible breakout if XLM is going to break out to the downside versus Bitcoin. But now let's take a look at XLM versus USDT. So here is the daily. We can see perfectly we are in the uptrend. Okay, let's go deeper. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and let's have a look. So, and here it is. You can see we are in the 4-hour chart clearly above the ribbon. But let's zoom in a bit. And let's zoom in a bit and let's take a look on this MACD. And as you can see now, guys, the MACD crossed here. The place to sell is here. And now it's a good time, I think, to sell XLM. XLM is maybe fighting now with this ribbon band, and we may see a little dump of XLM. So I am out of XLM. I sold XLM since some days, about 0.38. So at this direction Stellar is momently. I sold it. I am not long anymore. I bought at 0.27. I sold at 0.38, and I'm out of the trade from Stellar momently. Waiting about what would happen here with this ribbon band, the fight. I see a sell signal. I see the crossing. I'm frightened. For me as a trader, I have to stay out momently from Stellar, from XLM. Go deeper, go to the 1-hour chart. And on the 1-hour chart, we can make something else. You see what happens here. The 1-hour chart is very important now for Stellar. We can draw here our lovely triangle. I like to draw triangles, as you know my videos. But the triangles are really good patterns, I think, to see a direction. And take a look at this. What can you see here? You see here a clear triangle. Okay, Biti has drawn here a triangle. But you see here Stellar broke this triangle to the downside. A very bearish sign for me, a very bearish sign for Stellar. And you know, the highest point to the lowest point is our target, and we're putting it to the breakout. It was here. It was a breakout, it was a retest, and it was a retested breakout. So the target for me, for simply TA I'm making here, is about this. Don't be shocked, this is my target. 0.33 is my target. I will take a look about XLM, about this target, and if Stellar will go down here from this breakdown from the triangle to 0.33, I will go in again. I will make a rebuy, so I will had a very good trade from 0.27 to 0.38. Now back again, rebuy, and hopefully will go up like a rocket again. That's just my information about Stellar, about the few next hours. What can we await about it? It's important. If we're going up again, very cool. If you're going back again in the triangle, very cool. If you are going breaking this triangle to the upside, very cool. This would be the next point to buy Stellar for me, because this would be this point, and maybe we can see a breakout to 0.46 if we break out the triangle to the upper side. Good trade. I will jump in here with a stop loss. I will jump it here, and I would like to trade this one. But now let's see XLM. Where's the direction going for you? What's about XLM BTC I showed you always. And I think, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this XLM quick TA. And as you can see here, my crypto trading information live stream on Twitch. Please visit me 24 hours, 7 days a week. I'm there. Chat with me and chat with my main channel, Bitcoin Trading Information. A lot of nice guys there on my main channel. I'm always there and I always can chat there with you. Live buy and sell signals and. Okay, guys, that's it for XLM. I hope you have a nice day. Make good trades. Make it good. We see us again. Bye bye. Yours, Biti.